In this video, I'll show you how to find your Steam SAV files on your PC. This is super useful if you want to back up your progress, fix issues, or use mods. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app from your desktop or Start menu. If you're not logged in, click Login in the top right and enter your username and password. Once you're in, go to the Library tab at the top. Here you'll see all your games. Find the game you want, then right-click on it and select Properties. In the window that opens, click on the Local Files tab, then click Browse Local Files. This will open the Games folder on your computer. Inside this folder, you may find your save files. Keep in mind, some games store saves in other locations like the Documents folder, so you might need to check there too. And that's it! Now you know where to find your Steam save files. You can use this to back up your progress or troubleshoot problems. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!